At the dawn of the automotive age, electricity was actually a really popular way to power cars. And back then, 130 years ago, Lincoln Electric was there powering those cars. Well, now the EV has made a resurgence, and Lincoln Electric is there once again. Michael, how are you innovating in the EV space?
You know, we're building upon our power electronics. So what really sets us apart is our vertical integration at Lincoln Electric. Everything that you see here on this 50 kW charger is pretty much manufactured in Cleveland, Ohio.
What's unique about the 50 kW?
This is a portable charger. It can be mounted fixed, and it does come with two different wheel kits. Our interoperability works with school buses, heavy-duty vehicles, Class 8 vehicles, passenger cars. Interoperability is extremely important on EV charging. Right now in my hand, this is a CCS1. This is considered standard in the US. Tesla has a separate plug. It's a J3400 or North American Charging Standard. This charger is adaptable to both. You can change out this power cable in 10 minutes or less, so it makes us kind of unique out in the industry.
There are a lot of chargers out there, and a lot of them are coming from overseas. So how does the quality of a Lincoln Electric charger compare to all those?
Lincoln Electric comes standard with a 3 years parts and service warranty. Most of the other EV chargers out in the industry right now, 2 years parts only. We have a service network all across North America to stand behind these chargers. From the printed circuit boards made in Cleveland, Ohio, to the cabinetry, we do that in Cleveland.
How easy is this to move around?
It's extremely easy. This unit with the roll cage weighs just a little over 300 pounds. I can move this around very, very easy. It comes in two different variations, roll cage, inflatable tires, or larger type lawnmower wheels on it. Going around your shop, you've got a 25-foot power cable option on these cables of 15 or 25 feet, so 50-foot reach max.
How adaptable is this to different situations?
Extremely adaptable. This is meant indoor, outdoor, obviously with the epoxy-coated circuit boards that we put in our welders. Same thing is put into these EV chargers. Hot weather, cold weather, humidity, salt water. This is built to take a licking.
Lincoln Electric was here at the inception of electric vehicles. They're here to take EVs into the future as well, and they are here to stay. You can find pricing and you can find specs at lincolnelectric.com.